In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe payment link. If you want a simple way to start accepting payments without building a full checkout page from scratch, Stripe payment links are a great option. They let you create a shareable checkout page that you can send directly to customers through email, messages, social media, or your website. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can set it up smoothly. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. This is where you manage your products, payments, and checkout settings. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business profile. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Payment Links. This section is specifically designed for creating and managing shareable links that customers can use to complete a purchase. Once you're there, click Create Payment Link. This will open the setup page where you'll define what you're selling and how customers will pay. Now you'll need to choose a product. You can either select an existing product if you've already created one in Stripe, or create a new product if this is your first time setting it up. If you're creating a new one, make sure the product name and details are clear so customers know exactly what they're buying. After that, configure the price, quantity, and payment options. This is an important part of the setup because it controls how the purchase will work. Set the correct price, decide whether customers can adjust the quantity, and review the available payment methods. Choosing the right options here helps avoid confusion at checkout. Next, customize the checkout settings if needed. Depending on your goal, you may want to adjust certain parts of the checkout experience. For example, you might review what customer information is collected or how the page is presented. If the default settings already match your needs, you can simply leave them as they are. Once everything is set up, review the payment link details carefully. This is your chance to double-check the product, price, quantity settings, and checkout preferences before publishing the link. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent mistakes later. When you're satisfied, click Create Link. Stripe will then generate your payment link and make it ready to use. Finally, copy the payment link and share it with your customers. You can paste it wherever it makes the most sense for your business, whether that's in an email, a text message, a button on your website, or a social media post. Before sending it out widely, it's always a good idea to test the link yourself and make sure everything looks correct. Thanks for watching.